All right, welcome in. If you found yourself here, it is not a coincidence. There's probably a message inside of this video for it. See what wants to come through. Immediately off the bat, there's like this celebratory energy. Right before I started to record, there's like a band playing at this park that I'm at, and people were cheering. And so I'm just feeling this celebratory energy. It could be an anniversary of something. It could be a celebration of life, birthday, just an anniversary, an important date could be right now going on in your life. Doesn't have to be. But I am feeling like a celebration. Like you might be celebrating. Ooh, you're going to be celebrating is what they're saying as well. You're going to be celebrating. Okay. Okay, I feel like I'm talking to a collective of healers and mystics. Specifically people who are like dabbling into esoteric arts and accessing the magic that's available to us on this planet. You know, you're somebody, like you might be a witch, medicine woman, a priestess, shaman, mystic, you know, that's what, okay. You also embody this Queen of Swords energy. That's beautiful. Queen of Swords. Ooh, yeah. You know how to lay down boundaries. You know how to lay down the sword of truth. You've probably been through a lot of things that, ooh, yeah, I'm getting whole body chills. You've been through a lot of things that have made you step up as the Queen of Swords. You've had to really navigate deception and illusion. Ooh, yeah, from other people. Ooh, and stories that you've, confirmation from the butterflies, and stories that maybe you were writing based in illusion. Like stories, relationships that have been based in illusion. You've had to navigate and put up a lot of boundaries and see through bullshit. You've had to really see through bullshit. You're somebody who's very connected to the elementals, dragons, fairies, unicorns, angelic realms, seraphim. You are somebody who's like deeply tapped in. I'm also really picking up galactic energies right now. Yeah. Lyra, Pleiadian, Syrian, Octurian, Andromedan. Like you are very powerful. The next card that came out is the Chariot. Discipline, determination, movement forward. There's positive movement forward in your life because of boundaries that you've put up in the past. You're fully stepping into this phase of your life now where you are activating multidimensional aspects of yourself, accessing your spiritual gifts and power. You have the Reawakening card coming out next. Renewal, enlightenment. This really, peacocks. They're showing me peacock feathers. They're showing me Egyptian energy right now. So you might really work deeply with like Isis and Hathor. You might also work very deeply with Mary Magdalene and Mother Mary, Sekhmet, Bastet. They're showing me that it's like you're done playing it small, is what they're saying. Peacocks take up a lot of space when they spread open their feathers and they show how beautiful they are and how amazing they are and how unique they are and magnificent. And you're done playing it small in your life and you're taking up space now. You're really going after your dreams. I'm feeling the wind pick up right now. Like you're letting the winds guide you. You're letting your spirit guide you, your soul guide you on where you're meant to go in this life. It's been kind of a slow journey for you. Knight of Pentacles is coming out next. This Knight of Pentacles feel like things have just been moving slowly in your life. Like there's been a slow progress and a dedicated, but you want that. You want that. There's been rapid rates of accelerated ascension for parts of your awakening journey. But then there are some parts of it that have been pretty slow and stagnant. Like you've had to really learn some lessons is what they're saying. Spirit sees you. Three of Pentacles energy makes me feel like Spirit recognizes you. You might be being guided to community spaces now is what they're saying. You're going to be meeting people that you will be collaborating with. You're going to be meeting soul tribes, soul family. Ooh, I'm getting whole body chills right now. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Yeah, Spirit's like, keep following your heart, keep following your intuition. You're being led towards your soul tribes. You've done the inner work. Queen of Wands is being shown to me right now. Like you've done the inner work and you're attracting it in. Queen of Swords is also being shown because that's the card that came out first. You're attracting it in. I'm being shown the sun and love. So it's like this new beginning taking place now. this new beginning taking place, this childlike energy, this beautiful, happy energy, love. Really, there's a lot of love and abundance here for you, is what they're saying. There's a lot of heart healing taking place. I'm actually like really physically feeling this in my chest and my back. You might be somebody who's like experiencing back pain or chest pains here and there, like just like, I feel like, yeah, like your heart chakra is opening up and healing from a lot of times of betrayal and all of the illusion and the deception that you've had to navigate through. And your heart chakra is really, really healing, really opening up to this trust within yourself, to this trust within God, our creator, and what you're here to do, and the people you're here to meet, and your purpose in life. Keep going forward. Keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Yeah, there's a lot of security on this path. King of Pentacles. There's a lot of security. There's it's a stable energy, really stable, secure, abundant, prosperous. There's a lot of confidence. That's like, I feel like you've just had to shed so much and opened up your heart so much. And this, I want to pull an oracle card. This is like a deep transformation. That's literally the death card, death. You just went through a death and rebirth portal. Spirit's about to reward you. Spirit has a lot of rewards for you. All right, I just want to see what oracle card wants to come out to close out this reading. Whew. For those of you who are interested, I'm using Spirit Song Tarot and the Keepers of the Light oracle deck. Okay, Diana coming out. All right. Think about what you desire. Set your sights high. Expect the best possible outcome. She's saying, visualize what you desire. Visualize it, hold it, feel it in your vibration, feel it in your body, feel it in your soul, what you really want. You have a lot of power. There's a lot of healing taking place right now. Yeah, like move beyond. Now we have holy amethyst, divine alchemy. I feel like you are the alchemist, is what she's saying. You've taken a lot of delusion and a lot of pain and turned it into power and pleasure and purpose. And that's what the priestess does. That's what the medicine woman does, the mystic, the healer. You understand how to navigate and turn lead into gold, pain into pleasure. Move beyond distractions, is what they're saying. Don't let yourself be distracted and focus on the mission at hand. Focus on the mission that you are here to fulfill. The different things that you're here to communicate to this world, the different creations that you're meant to birth. You are the magician, the alchemist, is what they're saying right now. And your frequency is very important on this planet. Yeah, you are deeply tapped in to the unseen realms. We have Odin coming out as the final card. Your third eye is open. See truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. Odin is saying, I work deeply with Odin. Odin is saying that you are deeply tapped in. You are very intuitive. You have a lot of gifts from different past lives as the mystics in previous lifetimes here on Earth, as well as your galactic origins, are extremely high ranking. You are royalty. You are extremely powerful and intuitive, and you are reclaiming this more and more each day. Keep following your intuition. Keep following your heart. You are deeply protected. Affirm that. I am deeply protected. I am divinely protected. I am deeply respected. Affirm that. I am confident in my power. I am safe to be in my power. My power is protected. Affirm it and know that, and don't let yourself be distracted by anything. And if you get afraid, remember you would not know courage if you did not know fear. Trust yourself, my dear. Okay. If you're interested in a personal reading or joining us women inside of the Remembrance Portal Mystery School, everything that I offer is linked in my bio. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.